Mano timore jatend migawo mar weche tuke Kipchumba Murkomen osingo ni telo riwruoge mag tuke ibiro keti e lai kachakore gi yiero mar riwruok matayo tuke adhula FKF ma yiero margi ochan tarik 7 dwe mar 12. Kanowuoyo seche mane ochopo e nyim komiti mar weche tuke e od bura malo, Murkomen olero ni okenge oseketi mar neno ni yiero mar FKF otim ma huyanga kaka chik dwaro. Nomedo wacho ni yiero no chan gi agenda mag kelo lokruok e migawo mare ka chik mar Sports Act mane oketi e lai gi katiba ma Kenya bende ibiro rangi kapono ni jago moro nitiere manosetelo higni madwarore to kendo dwa nochung' kendo ibiro tim nang'o.
Waziri mine is still on the elections. And our concern is, yes, we have constitutions.
As a country, once we put in place in the Sports Act that we are going to have a term limit, and therefore we are governed by rules, because there are other countries where they have FKF elections, but they don't have a term limit. But for as long as we said we will be having term limits, it is not possible. It's not even neat. It's not even nice. It's not even morally good to find yourself in a place of being a president and then tomorrow a vice president. I think it's just black and white. We hope through the U chair and the members who will be coming before you, the FKF elections board, you can put them to task to make sure that they are in keeping with the law and they help us to get good elections. Because, as I said, the residual power of the minister to still disband whatever team which has been established if the law has not been followed is there. But we should not go there. That is extreme end.